Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Terracore EcoStone filler, which is a filler for various types of resins that gives your projects a granite-like appearance. It's super lightweight, affordable, and very easy to use. It's able to take up a significant amount of volume of resin thanks to its high build nature, and it's also very easy to machine. First, we're going to need to gather all the ingredients needed, and the first thing we need is our EcoStone. This is just a sample size container, but we typically sell our products in 5-pound boxes. Next, we'll need a scale. Anything you have around that works will do fine. You'll also need mixing containers and stir sticks. We will also need a mold. This is just a 4-inch by 1/4-inch disc. Next is the resin. This is just a cheap 2-part resin that works just fine for this application. Going back to the mold, the 4 by 1/4 size gives us a volume of about 3.14 cubic inches or about 52 milliliters. We're going to round that up to 60 milliliters for today, but for larger projects, you'll want to be more accurate and figure out what works for you. We're also going to assume a density of 1 gram per milliliter and say we need a 60-gram system. We're going to use a 1-to-1 ratio of resin to filler, so we'll need 30 grams of filler and 15 grams of each part A and part B resin. Time to bring out a mixing cup and the weigh scale. Next, we're going to add our resins in the 1-to-1 ratio or 15 grams each. Next is part B. Now we put the scale away, grab a stir stick, and mix according to package directions. When we're done, we grab the scale and the EcoStone and measure out 30 grams. The stone looks like a powder with various particle sizes. This is done to ensure that the end result is completely homogeneous and looks exactly like stone. Stir for about a minute or so. When adding stone or working with any resins, you should probably be wearing some type of face mask. You want it to be very thoroughly mixed. It will be quite viscous, but if you want, you can always add in some methanol or other liquid with a low evaporation temperature. It's up to you, but just note that various additives can have varying effects on the outcome. Now that we're done that, I'm going to pour it into the silicone mold from earlier. First, I'm going to scrape out all of the resin and stone mix. This is a bit difficult as I didn't start off with much. Next, I'm going to use the popsicle stick to even out the resin a bit, and then I'm going to squeeze the sides and let them flop around to get rid of any air. I'm sure the professionals use proper techniques, but this is being recorded at the Terracore factory, and we're professionals at product development and manufacturing, not so much making resin coasters. Once we're done with that and confident there are no more air bubbles coming up, we're going to let it harden overnight. Now that the disc is cured, we can remove the mold, and that's it. It looks beautiful, and it's pretty cool knowing what you can make from 100% reprocessed material. You can buy the EcoStone at terracoreplastics.com.